I think my biggest flaw, yet most defining factor, is my tendency to space out. Some would call me a daydreamer, and some would call me a bad student. But to me, daydreaming is how I get through each day. The best escape from reality is the one inside your own mind. I take trips inside my head to non-existent places that bring me a sense of serenity on a bad day. Sometimes, reality and fantasy start to mix, leaving me in a world only accessible by me. That's the best part of daydreaming, really. The ability to see the world however you want it, without the influence of others. Whether these moments actually happened or not, they are more to me than just a daydream. They are the memories and creations of my own mind that I hope to see flashing before my eyes before they close for the last time. They are the highlights and lowlights of my life, and they make me who I am. They are the images stuck in my head that remind me of my childhood, and they are the source behind my aspiration to continue to dream big in the real world. I want to chase the future that I see in my dreams, and create content that makes others want to do the same. The word dreamer has a lot of different meanings to different people, but to me, it is someone who blurs the lines between fantasy and reality to chase their dreams and do the unthinkable.